So how do you quickly determine if a new business opportunity is right for you? My name is Daniel and I run Screen Repair Business Academy, and I'll teach you to run your own screen repair business in 8 weeks or less. But if screen repair is not for you, I'll tell you no. How do you know if a business opportunity is right for you? I just got done making $70 extra at lunch doing another extra side business just because I enjoy doing it, even though I already run a couple businesses and have another job on top of that, because I have fun and I found a fantastic business opportunity that just effortlessly made me $70 over 5 minutes at lunchtime. It's a great deal. Anyhow, how do you find those opportunities? Okay, you got to start off first and foremost with what you enjoy doing. You can't start off with money. You got to start off with what you enjoy doing. I got into phone repair because I enjoy playing around with phones. I like technology. I enjoy this world, and therefore I got into phone repair so I could spend more time and have an excuse to buy more technology. That's the reason I'm here. If you're going to get into phone repair, you should be interested in technology at least to a certain degree. What's more, whatever other gig you look at getting into, make sure it's somewhat interesting. Secondly, and the second important, make sure there's money in the field. With phone repair, these are expensive devices. People are going to spend a lot of money. Make sure there's money in the field. Is it profitable? And the third thing I always look at is, do I fully understand it? People are always going to come alongside you and say, hey, try my secret trick and you can sell 1,000,000 things. You don't have to understand it, just trust me. Don't trust them. Make sure you can wrap your mind around it. Make sure you can explain it to your mother how the process works for you to make money from this system. Because I've lost money and been scammed simply because I trusted someone who said, hey, trust me, this will work, just give me your money. Don't do that. Only get involved in things where you can fully understand how the money works. And last but not least, make sure that whatever new thing you're doing complements the rest of things you're doing in your life. Perhaps you have a busy life like I do, with family, commitments, and other things, and I've got a main traditional job as well. You need to make sure that what you're doing complements those other things. You can't be a window cleaning guy and run a fishing business at the same time. You can't be in two different places at the same time. There's limits to what you can do. So make sure the new thing you're adding complements and overlaps and something you can do alongside the other things you're doing in your life, unless you're looking to leave a certain field. But there's the rubric. There's how I think about new things that I add on to my life and evaluate new opportunities. Is it interesting? Is it profitable? Is it something that I understand? And does it conflict with other priorities in my life? I hope this helps. Message me or comment any questions if I can help you out. Peace.